Hi folks, this is the second video of a three-part video series on our trip to Farrell Miller's farm in Murray, Kentucky for his annual Puppy Day festivity. In this video, we're going to get on horseback and we're going to follow puppies. And what we're going to be looking at, and you know, I should mention that to enter this top echelon of bird dog training is quite a privilege and a treat for me. So what we're going to be watching here is how Farrell gets the puppies to cue off the horse and to stay in front of the horse. And if he gets his horse to go left, he gets those puppies to go left. And it's very, very interesting. And secondly, we're going to watch how he gets the puppies to come, if they have bird contact, how to get them to go forward again and get out front. So it's going to be a lot of fun. And again, not being a great horseman myself, Brad Harder, who is very experienced at this, he's done all of this filming on horseback, and I really want to thank Brad for all of his work. Enjoy.
On these puppies, I want you to all stay with me, and I want you to observe these puppies of how they pattern and go in here and come back in front and go with us, and we've got collars on some of them. The only reason we'll shock one if he runs a deer or if he runs backwards and we holler at him and he don't turn, then we might bump him. But I want you to just to look close. This is why the dogs from Protemus has been very successful in field trials.
All right, let's come out. Hey boy, come on up here. Now, I want you to stay with me. Now, don't wander off to the left or to the right. If you do, the puppies are going to be scared and terrible. I'm going to marshal, and y'all stay behind me or with me. Don't get them ahead, and don't pull off to the side. Okay. You want to step up. Everybody ready? Turn them loose.
Bird Dogs Afield, presented by Native Performance Dog Food, providing performance diets for the canine athlete, and brought to you in part by RST, manufacturers of short chamber low pressure shot shells. Mud River Dog Products, fundamentally changing the expectations of the hunter and dog enthusiast. Pete Shoe Dryer, inventor of the footwear dryer, takes on the nuisance of foot odor. message from our sponsors. We'll be right back. Hi folks, our dogs work very hard for us. They need and deserve a high performance dog food. My choice is Native. Native has been formulated for the canine athlete. It has none of the low value, hard to digest fillers such as soy, corn, wheat. It has only high grade chicken and high grade digestible grains. It comes in 4 levels of fat and protein. Each level is formulated for the stress and activity level for your dog at that time. Make the switch today. Your dog will be happy, and so will you. Hi friends. You know, whether you're a hiker, hunter, jogger, walker, all of those activities create sweat and moisture in your footwear. That moisture leads to bacteria, mildew, mold, all bad things for your feet. To eliminate that moisture, you need a peat shoe dryer. The new PowerCell Peat eliminates that moisture and creates a better atmosphere for good foot health.
One of yours?
I think 2 of them. I got 2 way out.
Making it all right. Oh yeah. Good.
He might get off before I get up there.
You want me to tie this horse up and just jump off?
Bird Dogs Afield, brought to you in part by Wooden Stream Outdoor Footwear, outfitting adventures since 1957. Visit woodandstream.com for a dealer near you. Canine Active, providing safe, non-toxic pain relief for your dog. Merkel shotguns, robust, reliable, and intuitive. That's what matters most when every split second counts. So, Farrell, if you're in a dog's head, if he's worrying about you, it's not easy for them to concentrate on his job, then, is it? No. Tell me about that. Yeah.
If a dog, these derbies, we put so much pressure on them. And I don't, when I say pressure, I don't mean whipping or anything like that, but we're riding close. You can't break a dog if you can't see him. And then when we get them back over here, then we want them, they're leaning on me more than they need to lean on me. And they've got to have enough confidence in themselves that I'm not going to get on them if they go down that line and finish that cast. And it takes them for a little while. A lot of the boys, when I used to compete, when they see my dogs in early fall, they say, oh, he's just got shooting dogs. They were still leaning on me. But boy, time January come and the Derby Championship started, they found out where their shooting dogs or not, because they had got confidence in themselves and they was ready to complete those casts, but still at the end of the cast, look up and see where my horse's head started. And wherever my horse's head started, that's the way them dogs are going. I could nearly handle a dog with the head of my horse and then not say a word in some dogs, especially the Bullet, True Spirit. Those dogs that done knew me and I'd worked them so much, I could just turn that horse's head. And I had a buckskin horse, and I sold that buckskin horse, and it took them dogs a little while to get used to me riding a sorrel horse instead of buckskin horse. Yeah. They're just looking for that buckskin horse and which way he is going.
Yeah, they know your horse.
Yes, sir. Okay. Now, this time, we're going to turn puppies out that's 6 months or younger, and we're going to use a pigeon, and we're going to play with the puppies. Now, you'll notice when we start that the horse he's trained better than the dogs are trained. Puppies are jumping all over him, and there's not two horses in this gallery that stand for a dog jump up on them and try to climb up on their legs. But we can send those dogs out, and then we put the pigeon on the ground and start flopping it around saying, whoa, come here, come here, come here. It'd be just like if you get in a covey of birds, you can't get the puppies back if they not done a little of this. I can get them puppies back here if I see a covey of birds on the ground or ride up a covey of birds and see them down. I can take them puppies right over there to them and get them to hunt them single birds because we've played with them with these pigeons and get them to go with us. And I can keep them with me, and when he puts that pigeon on the ground, I can holler, whoa, come here, whoa, whoa, come here, bird in here. Boy, here they come from all over the country. And it's something that it's really important to teach a puppy to come when you call it.
Oh, 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 oh. All right, now, see when he pulls it up, we'll blow the whistle and you watch them puppies run. All right, pull it up. Let it go.
Quick message from our sponsors. We'll be right back. Hi folks, Merkel is my choice for a shotgun. Whether it be simple backyard clay shooting or competitive clay shooting or upland bird hunting, Merkel is spot on. You throw it up to your shoulder, it's always right there. Merkel is known for its elegant, high-performance shotguns. The new 40E field grade shotgun is offered at an attainable and an affordable price. The Merkel shotgun is robust, reliable, and intuitive. That's what matters most when every split second counts. Check out Merkel today. You won't be disappointed.
Admit it, you've been busted. Maybe more than once. I've been busted too, but it happens a lot less now that I'm ecstatic. Not the giggly kind, the odor eliminating kind. New 3M Thinsulate Platinum insulation with ecstatic odor control in Wooden Stream hunting boots. The first full line of hunting boots to have it. Odor stomping, warm, waterproof, and breathable. I'm ecstatic, for good reason. Don't get busted, get Wooden Stream boots.
Hi Bird Dogs Afield viewers. I'm here today with Dylan, who's almost 10 years old and still hunting hard. So in order to help him, we use Canine Active. It's for working and hunting breeds, and it is my go-to for pain relief and for an anti-inflammatory. You can use it before strenuous activity to help keep them moving and help reduce muscle soreness, or you can use it after for recovery. Try it today, Canine Active.
Okay, Chris, over there. Ho, 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 come here, pup. Whoa, ho, ho, come here, pup. Ho, 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 come here, ho, 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 come here, pup. Ho, 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 ho. Chris. Ho, ho, ho. Coming up. Whoa, whoa. Ho, ho. Coming up. Hip up. Ho, 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 ho. Coming up. Ho, ho. Ho, ho. Ho, ho. Coming up. Ho, ho. Coming up. Ho, ho. Oh, hello! Make a circle back towards the house. Around the ridge or right here? Right through here. Oh, oh! We got some other stuff we need to be doing. Oh, hello! Oh! All right, Chris, head right towards the house now. All right.
Well, wasn't that fun? And I didn't fall off my horse either, but I hope you enjoyed that and got to see how the kind of the inner circle of the field trial fraternity gets their dogs to respond to horseback and to birds. I really had fun watching and riding along. And again, I want to thank Brad Harder for doing all of that filming. He's very experienced at filming on horseback, and I am not. So he did a great job for us, and my thanks to Brad. And again, a reminder that all of the national championship videos that Brad has shot over the past numerous years are all available. They're on his website right here. I put the website right at the bottom here of the screen. Go to it. You don't have to get on a horse. You can watch these videos in the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching. Again, we've got a third video in this series that'll be posted soon. Hope to meet you in the field someday. Bird Dogs Afield, presented by Native Performance Dog Food and brought to you in part by RST Shot Shells, Mud River Dog Products, Pete Shoe Dryer, Wood and Stream Outdoor Footwear, Canine Active, and Merkel Shotguns.